All directors except the CEO must be independent. At least one new board member each year. 3/4 of directors must have 3 years experience at a $500 million public company each. Director must possess specific expertise, finance, technology, marketing, or ethics. Paid at least $150,000 cash annually. Required to reinvest 25% in company stock. No stock options. Audit committee requires 3 independent directors with 3 years public company audit experience, regulatory experience, or auditor background. Governance, compensation, and risk management committees similarly independent. 5-year ban on stock options for employees. Executive compensation capped at $15 million annually. Shareholder vote required for any waivers. Formal ethics office reporting to CEO and General Counsel, reviewed by board. Improved cash flow reporting. Most governance standards placed in articles of incorporation, changeable only by shareholder vote. Corporate governance. Board independence. Shareholder rights. This case has every governance lesson. At thecasesolutions.com, we break down complex business cases for students. Need help analyzing the WorldCom reforms? Visit thecasesolutions.com today.